Hello family! Today I'm sharing this recipe for a no-bake key lime cream pie recipe. For those days where it's just a little too hot to turn the oven on. This one is citrusy and it's kind of fun. I think you might like it. So let's get started. I'm starting out by mixing 3 cups of heavy whipping cream. I have kind of altered with making it with 4 cups, but I believe that 3 cups should be sufficient enough for this recipe. Just depends on how much airiness you want in your pot. I've added in my extract and I'm adding in a quarter cup of confectionate sugar, and I'm just going to continue to let this whipping cream mix until it forms nice stiff peaks. Now, as far as the extract goes, you can use coconut extract if you want to. Um, I'm not a huge fan of coconut, so I don't put that in there. I just go with the regular vanilla. So it's up to you if you want to go with coconut or vanilla. I'm mixing in the cream cheese with the sweetened condensed milk and also the lime juice. If you want this to be a super duper fresh key lime pie, then you certainly can squeeze the juice from some key limes. It's just a little time consuming and my fingers hurt after all that squeezing. So I'm just going to use the juice this time. It still tastes just as good. If you do decide to buy the bottle of key lime, Nellie and Joe's Key West lime juice, in my opinion, is one of the best other than freshly squeezed key lime juice. So just don't go cheap, I guess is what I'm getting at when it comes to buying the key lime juice. Now we're going to go ahead and add in 2 cups of the whipped cream into the cream cheese lime juice mixture. So just make sure that when you're adding it in, you're folding the whipped cream mixture into the cream cheese into the cream cheese mixture. You want to make sure that that whipped cream continues to hold its shape. You don't want it to lose any of that airiness that you got going on with it. Now you want to get about 2 cups of crushed either pecan, depends on which way you say it, shortbread cookies or graham crackers. Here I'm just using graham crackers because I didn't have the shortbread cookies. But the main thing is to make sure once it's crushed, it equals about 2 cups. I did add 1/3 cup of melted butter to the cookies. That's just the way to make sure that the crumbs stick together really well. And once you do that, you want to add that to your pie plate that's lightly greased. And once you do that, there's really not much else you need to do. This cookie crust, you don't have to bake it or anything. The fluffy cream pie will really hold that crumb mixture together. So now we're going to top with the remaining whipped cream. And then we're going to sprinkle with some toasted coconut. And we're also going to garnish with some sliced lime pieces. And then we're going to let this refrigerate for at least 4 hours before we serve this. This pie is so cool and it is very refreshing. It's a perfect summer treat. And like I said, it's perfect to me because you don't have to turn the oven on. So again, as always, I thank you so much for joining me. Give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I look forward to seeing you on the next video. Take care.